Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable Windows Sandbox in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Enabling or disabling Windows Sandbox in Windows 10 is quite straightforward. Windows Sandbox provides a lightweight desktop environment to safely run applications in isolation. Note: Windows Sandbox requires hardware virtualization support, VTX for Intel CPUs or AMD-V for AMD CPUs, to run. Click on the Start button, or search bar and type Control Panel. Click on Programs and then Programs and Features. On the left side, click on Turn Windows Features on or off. In the new window, scroll down and check the box next to Windows Sandbox. Click OK and restart your computer to apply the changes. To disable Windows Sandbox, click on Turn Windows Features on or off, and uncheck the box next to Windows Sandbox. Click OK and restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.